Hey Instagram users, want to change a close friend's story to be visible to everyone? Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a direct option to switch audience. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you the workaround that actually works. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap the hamburger menu, 3 lines in the top right corner, and select Archive from the menu. Step 3. At the top of the archive page, make sure Stories Archive is selected, not Posts Archive. Step 4. Find the close friend story you want to share with everyone and tap on it to open it. Step 5. Tap the 3 dots More options in the bottom right corner of the story and select Share. Step 6. Choose Share as Post or Share as Story. If you select Share as Story, it will create a new story visible to all your followers by default. Step 7. Before posting, double-check that the audience selector at the bottom of the screen shows Your Story and not Close Friends. Then tap Share to post it for everyone. And that's it. While Instagram doesn't let you directly change a story's audience after posting, this method lets you effectively repost your close friends' content to everyone. Remember that this creates a new story rather than changing the original. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.